Hi, my name's Julian Ridden, otherwise known as the Moodle Man, and welcome to my blog. I thought I'd do a quick video to demonstrate this MrCute code in action because it looks far better and I think loses its power when I just describe it in text. So let's jump straight in. What you're seeing here is Quantum. This is our live site used by Riverview. This is our Moodle site. This is just a demo course I use to show things to teachers, so please excuse the mess. Let's just pretend I'm a teacher and want to deploy a learning object. This is all I do. Click Turn Editing On, click Add a Resource, and click on Add a Learning Object. Now on your standard Moodles, it will actually be called Add an IMS Content Package. I just edited the language strings because I thought Add a Learning Object made a lot more sense to my teachers. This is very similar to the old interface, by the way. So the old way of doing things was the teacher would come in, browse repository, and they'd have to come in. Now the old way you go into languages, and there's just hundreds of these things, and all the subjects are like this. There's heaps. So what we actually now have, and the great thing about the new code is I can go search repository. I just do a search. Let's say I'm wanting to teach a Chinese. There you go. I click Chinese. Here they all are, right here, right off the bat. Here are all learning objects to do with Chinese. I can then click Preview, see the learning object in action, go yes, that's the one I want, and click Choose. That's it. I can give it a name, Chinese Activity, and then down the bottom just click on Save and Return to Course. That's now as simple as it is to browse your repository. One click, and here it is in action, and it's an interactive learning object in this case, and my Chinese is awful so I won't try and use it. So let's now talk about how we can also add it. Now the great thing is that with the roles I can actually say only librarians can add to the repository. Let's just go back into Add a Learning Object. A teacher will always have the option of being able to upload one just this course only. But if they actually want to add to the repository, again, we've got this newly detailed interface. They go Add File to Repository, and they're prompted for a lot more information. Title, description, keywords, they can browse the file, they can choose where in the repository it's going to go. Again, here's that structure that I as an administrator created, and they can choose where it wants to go. And as a librarian, I have these additional options. Materials unapproved, I click on it and we can make it approved again, and also if they're not willing to share it with other courses. It's a very simple interface, but for librarians it gives them a huge amount of control. So look, that's a very quick look at it. I hope it's excited you enough to use it. I think especially for TLF learning objects this is a lifesaver, because all you do now is just dump all those hundreds of learning objects onto your server. This will deploy it automatically, add a search for you, and gives your teachers the ability to quickly and easily add them to their courses. Thanks for your time.